Welcome to Tenggol Island.
Tenggol Island is a small, beautiful island off the coast of Dungan in Terengganu. It's a peaceful place, perfect for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The island is known for its clear waters, clean white beaches, and green jungles. Unlike busier islands, Tenggol is quieter and less crowded, making it ideal for a relaxing getaway. To reach Tenggol Island by car from Kuala Lumpur, drive for about 4–5 hours along the East Coast Highway LPT to Dungan. From there, take a boat ride to the island, which takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Tenggol Island is a true paradise for divers, offering some of the best dive sites in Malaysia. With its rich coral reefs, vibrant marine life, and crystal clear waters, the island attracts divers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, the underwater world of Tenggol Island provides an unforgettable experience. The island is also known for its incredible marine life. Divers and snorkelers may be fortunate enough to encounter majestic creatures like blue whale sharks, dolphins, and manta rays. These stunning animals are often spotted around the island, particularly during the migration season, making it a dream destination for wildlife and
the life that you want.
For those who prefer to stay above water, Tenggol Island offers activities like hydro biking and kayaking. These water sports provide a relaxing way to explore the calm, clear waters around the island while taking in the beautiful views and surrounding nature.